Have you noticed how conversations about AI seems to be everywhere these days? Whether it's in the news, on our social feeds, or even during office discussions, it seems like everyone is talking about AI. But have you ever wondered why people are getting so crazy about AI, especially in different domains of technology? Well, let's take a closer look at the world of education and learning. Artificial intelligence has become a game changer in various industries, and education is no exception. It has ignited a spark of curiosity and excitement among educators, students, and tech enthusiasts. So why is AI creating such a buzz? Let's explore few reasons specific to education industry. Personalized learning. AI algorithms can assess individual learners' strengths, weakness, and learning styles, offering personalized content and adaptive assessments. This customized approach enhances engagement and improves learning outcomes. Intelligent tutoring. AI-powered virtual tutors can provide instant feedback, answer queries, and guide learners through their educational journey. They can stimulate one-to-one interactions, ensuring learners receive personalized support and guidance. Data-driven insights. AI can analyze large amount of learner data to uncover patterns, identify trends, and provide valuable insights to educators. This data-driven approach helps in making informed decisions, designing effective curriculum, and optimizing teaching strategies. Automation of administrative tasks. AI can automate administrative tasks such as grading assessments, generating reports, and managing learner profiles. This allows educators to focus on more instructional activities and personalized interactions with learners. Adaptive learning paths. AI algorithms can analyze learner performance and adapt the learning path accordingly. This ensures that learners progress at their own pace and receive the content tailored to their specific needs. Intelligent content recommendations. AI can suggest relevant learning materials, resources, and courses based on learners' preferences, previous interactions, and performance data. This enables a personalized and targeted learning experience. Natural language processing. AI-powered NLP techniques can facilitate language learning, automated essay grading, and conversational interactions with virtual tutors. Learners can practice language skill, receive instant feedback, and engage in meaningful conversations. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms can predict learner outcomes and identify students who may need additional support or intervention. Educators can proactively address individual learning gaps, preventing potential challenges. Virtual reality and augmented reality. AI can enhance immersive learning experiences through AR and VR technologies. Learners can explore virtual environments, perform hands-on stimulations, and engage in interactive activities, fostering deeper understanding and retention. With all the above examples, the integration of AI in e-learning opens up a world of possibilities. Now, let's dive in to understand how you can add an AI component to your application. Before diving into the technical aspects, it is crucial to define the goals and the requirements of learning application. Determine the target audience, learning objectives, and AI functionalities to be incorporated. Data collection and pre-processing. Data plays a vital role in training AI models. Collect relevant educational content, user interactions, and other contextual data to build robust AI systems. Ensure data quality and integrity by pre-processing, cleaning, and augmenting the dataset. Data privacy and security should be considered during this stage. AI model selection and development. Selecting an appropriate AI model depends on the learning application's requirements. Popular choices includes machine learning algorithms like decision trees, random forests, or neural networks. If you're going for natural processing languages, it could be recurrent neural networks or transformer models. And if you're choosing computer vision models, you can go for convolutional neural networks. Train and fine-tune the selected model using prepared dataset. Integration with mobile application development. To integrate AI capabilities into mobile learning application, consider using frameworks and libraries that support AI functionalities on mobile platforms. Popular options include TensorFlow Lite, Core ML, or PyTorch Mobile. User experience and design. Design an intuitive and user-friendly interface that aligns with the learning objectives and target audience. Incorporate AI features seamlessly into applications interface, ensuring they enhance the user experience rather than being distracting. Testing and evaluation. Thoroughly test the application at different stages of development to identify and fix any bugs or performance issues. Evaluate the effectiveness of the AI model's predictions, recommendations, and assessments through extensive testing with diverse user scenarios. During the development of our AI system, we encountered several challenges that tested our skills and problem-solving abilities. We believe that sharing our experiences will benefit you in your development journey. So here are some of the challenges that we have faced. Data availability and quality. Limited data availability and poor quality of educational data can pose challenges in training accurate AI models. Our suggestion is to partner with educational institutions, crowdsourcing data, or employing data augmentation techniques. Ethical and bias considerations. AI systems must be designed to uphold the ethical principles, avoid bias, and respect user privacy. Regularly audit the AI model for fairness, transparency, and implement safeguards to address potential biases and protect user data. Scalability and performance. As the user base grows, scalability and performance becomes critical. Optimize AI models, leverage cloud-based infrastructure for computing resources, and employ caching and load balancing techniques to ensure a smooth user experience. User adoption and engagement. Encouraging user adoption and maintaining engagement is essential for a success of learning application. Incorporate personalized recommendations, adaptive learning, and interactive features to keep users engaged and motivated to learn. With these techniques, you can definitely overcome most of the challenges in your development. And I hope with this video, you have got some idea that how you can integrate AI in your application. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe TechUgo for more tech updates.